Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Nimble, located at nimble.com, is a robust platform designed to enhance your customer relationship management (CRM) experience. It effectively consolidates various communication channels, social media interactions, and other crucial data points into a unified interface. This streamlines your workflow by centralizing all relevant information, enabling you to manage contacts, track deals, and nurture leads more efficiently. Nimble stands out with its intelligent social listening capabilities, allowing you to monitor online conversations and brand mentions. This feature provides invaluable insights into customer sentiment and emerging trends, enabling you to proactively address issues and capitalize on opportunities. Furthermore, Nimble integrates seamlessly with popular business applications, such as email clients, marketing automation tools, and other software solutions, further enhancing its versatility and utility. This interconnectivity promotes a cohesive workflow, minimizing disruptions and maximizing productivity. By automating repetitive tasks and providing a comprehensive view of customer interactions, Nimble empowers businesses to build stronger relationships, close more deals, and ultimately achieve sustainable growth. Its intuitive design and powerful features make it a valuable asset for businesses of all sizes, from solopreneurs to large enterprises. Exploring the platform at nimble.com will reveal its full potential and demonstrate its capacity to transform your customer relationship management strategies. With its focus on fostering genuine connections and leveraging the power of social intelligence, Nimble offers a unique and compelling approach to CRM. Consider visiting the website to learn more about the specific features and benefits that Nimble provides. They also offer resources and support to help you maximize your use of the platform, ensuring you can leverage its full potential to optimize your business processes and drive success. So, check out nimble.com today and discover how this powerful tool can revolutionize your customer relationship management.